Yo, what up? How's it going, friend? Today, I'm gonna teach you how you can remove or hide your cat icon just like this from your Shopify Ride theme, and it's gonna look just like this. Now, let's get straight to the video. Tataria. Okay, so first you want to come here to your dashboard or your backend or whichever one you call it, and you want to come to your online store right here, and you want to come to themes. Okay, and once you're in your themes, you should come here. You're gonna see your right theme right here. Okay, and the next thing you want to do, I'm sure you will have already added the right theme, and you want to go ahead and click on customize. So the moment you hit on customize, you're going to land on this page just like this, okay? And what you want to do next is to come here to this header section, this section here, the layout section here. And right here, you see header. You want to come under header to click on header. So you click on header, and what you just want to do is simple. You just scroll down here to this side that says custom CSS, and you want to paste a couple of text, and that is all. Just copy paste is something that any single person can do. You don't have to be technical to do this. And what you want to do is you want to come right here. Okay, I'm gonna give you this file. Okay, this doc file here, and you just want to copy this code that you're seeing, the one that says to remove using CS, and you want to copy just this text that you're seeing here, and you're just gonna paste it. That is all, and you're good to go. And you just want to paste it here, and that's all. You're good to go. So you can see the Shopify cart icon is no longer there. Okay, so this is exactly how you can remove this using your custom CSS. But what if you don't? Some people will be like, oh no, Marvin, I don't want to tamper with my custom CSS because I've got some code there, I've got some things, I've done some stuff in my stuff before, and I don't want something to. Okay, it's fine. I got you. All right. Now there's another way you can do this also using the base CSS, and let me teach you how to go about that. So I'm just gonna cancel all these, but however, if you're cool with this, you can just hit on save, and you can have a nice day. So okay, but let me just teach you exactly how you can use the base CSS. You can see that the card icon is back, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back like that, and right there you can see this part that says Ride Draft. Yours might be live, and you click on the three dotted icon, and you want to click on Headies code. Now don't forget, it's okay, it's simple. Just copy and paste as we are doing, and I'm going to head back to this doc file here, and you're going to scroll down just like I'm scrolling down. Okay, always go down, baby. Okay, and you click on, just copy this code right there. Okay, this one, we're gonna copy that, and we go back to this editor. Oh, it's still loading. And right here we are in the Explorer, which is the editor, which when I click on edit code, this is where it will load. And right here you want to go to Explorer, you want to click on Ride, and you want to click on Assets. And once you click on Assets, you want to click on this base.css, as you can see right here. You can see, right? Good. Now, what you want to do next is you want to go down, baby. Okay, you want to go down, down, baby. Okay. You want to go down just like this, okay? And the moment you scroll down right there, just paste. That is all, okay? Once you paste, please always make sure that you save changes. It is very important. You click on save, and if I should head back, you see it's gone. All right, so the moment I head back, it's gone. Okay, it's refresh, and it's gone. So this is exactly how you can remove your cart icon from your Shopify Ride theme. All right. And there is another bonus method that you can use. You know, I've always got a lot for you guys so that you won't be out of option. Okay. So if one doesn't work, another one will surely work for you. You can actually use the custom liquid. So what you can do is, let me just go back, remove, and you're good to go. So this is not something technical. Just be careful. Remove only the one that the code, and you're good to go. So now I'm back, and you can see now that the link, the card icon is back here. So you want to come here to the custom liquid, okay, to this header section rather. Let me first add block. Okay, custom liquid is not there. So you just want to click on add section, okay, and you click on custom liquid. All right. And once you click on custom liquid, click on custom liquid again. And right there, we're going to paste something there. And we come back to this doc file again, okay, and scroll up, and you're going to see this one that says to remove using CL, which is custom liquid. And we're just going to copy all these, and yup, okay, and we paste. And yo, it's gone again. Okay, it's gone again. All right, so if you're feeling this, type it's gone in the comment section. Okay, let me know, type it's gone in the comment section. So now it's gone, the card icon is gone, and this is exactly the 3 tricks that you can use to remove the card icon from your Shopify Ride theme. All right, if this video has been helpful, please make sure that you hit the red subscribe button. My goal is to take this to 10,000 subscribers, or even more, but at least 10,000 subscribers as well. So please join the journey by subscribing to this channel. Please, God bless you as you subscribe, and also like this video. Even if you don't want to subscribe, at least like the video. It shouldn't cost you anything, okay? And so that YouTube can be able to recommend this video to other people also who might be needing something just like this. Thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate you, and I wish you the best of luck in your e-commerce journey. And please make sure that you take care of your health. Health is wealth. It's very important. So take care of yourself so that when the money comes, you will be able to spend it in good health. Thank you very much. I will see you in another video. Peace and have a nice day ahead. Bye.